Hi, I'm Carol Reve, and I'm so excited. I want to talk to you today about Global Domains International, and I just set up a new rotator for anyone that struggles with marketing, which is so many people. So I'm really excited. I figured out a way to help you if you struggle with recruiting, if you struggle with bringing people into downlines and keeping them there. This will help you. Okay, so this is a rotator for GDI, and this is the team I'm on is Action Power Team. And if you're not familiar with Global Domains International, this is my back office right here. This is the website that my team uses, and if you look below this video and you click the link below, it's the rotator link. It's gonna look like this. This is what it's going to look like right here. Okay, and this is the page that will come up. It'll just be of one of the members that have signed up and that are below me. So the only way you can get on the rotator is to sign up from the rotator, and that is what you want. You want to be on the rotator. Now, if you're not familiar with GDI, Global Domains International, GDI for short, let me take you just right through here. Now, when you click the link to the rotator, it'll bring you to this page and you can sign up right there. Okay, if you're not familiar with GDI, click that link and then it will come up with the GDI website. It's still coded to the person that you should be signing up with. Okay, and this rotator is meant as what I said is to help you to recruit. You're still going to need to learn to recruit, and this will hopefully help a lot of people be able to finally have success with multi-level marketing. And GDI is a great company to do this with. Now, if you're not familiar with GDI, I encourage you to click this video and watch that video. It's about an hour long, so you might need a cup of coffee to watch it. It's a great video, great products, and it talks to you about the commissions and that. And this is the income calculator that GDI has for us. Now, this is just hypothetical. This is no guarantee. When you click on the rotator link and you join from the rotator, then you need to email me. Those are the first two steps. You need to click the rotator, join from the rotator to be added to it. You need to email me your username, your full name, your sponsor's username, and full name. Okay? Because this is going to go far below my 5 levels. So I need that information as imperative. You're not going to be able to be added to the rotator. Okay? And this is hypothetical, again, of the kind of income you can make with GDI. Is if you bring in 5 people who bring in 5 people and they bring in 5 people all the way down to your 5th level, you can make $3,900, over $3,900 as a basic member. Now, when you're a basic member and you join and are added to the rotator, you stay on until you get 5 members and then you're removed, but your 5 members stay on until they get their 5 members and so on. So this is very powerful, but again, you still need to be able to advertise. When you do join, you get my resource page that takes you through how I advertise online, mainly Facebook, and as you see right here, YouTube, and Facebook groups, and it gives you banners and text ads and email swipes and I can't think of the other things. It's a lot of resources we get. And you get added to my uplines rotator too. Now you can be added to 20 rotators, but you still need to be able to advertise, okay? But I'm really excited about this rotator because the bigger this rotator gets, most of the time rotators slow down, but the bigger more people that are added to the rotator, it should actually increase the advertising, because basically you're doing with this video, the rotator is the video, is you're sharing. You sign up, you send me your full name, your username, your sponsor's full name, username. That's extremely important. That's why I'm repeating it so much. Okay? And then you comment below the video that you just signed up, you're excited. You comment below any questions you have, any concerns you have, whatever you have, you comment below it. And then on all videos. On all videos, there's a share button. Okay? You just share this video. You've got Pinterest, Facebook, Tumblr, LinkedIn, Blogger. You can blog about this in Twitter and Dig, and oh my, there's so many. Okay? And just share the video, and that's going to send this video viral. First thing you got to do is you got to watch the video from the very beginning to the end, okay? Because that's very important. And then, you know, like the video and share the video and comment below that you just signed up to. That helps to make me aware. If you have any questions, please ask them down in the comment section, okay? As I said, this is my downline, okay? It's not just me that's recruiting, but as you can see, it's gone really well. Okay, so I know what I'm doing. My team knows what I'm doing. This is a very good team. Okay, and you want our resource page. You want my resource page, and I'll even set one up for you too if you need a resource page, or show you how my upline does. So you get added to my upline's rotator, and my rotator, I believe, is going to go viral. This rotator, we're all going to be advertising it. We're all going to be growing it. Okay. Now, when you're basic member, like I said, you stay on till you get 5 members, and then you go off the rotator. Now, premium members, if you upgrade to premium, basic members, you join for free 7 days, and you upgrade to $10. You can do for charge card or PayPal. They also pay out when you pay out. They pay out around the 15th of the month, and you can choose a mailed check, or you can choose to be paid through PayPal. Okay, and premium members is $50 a month. Okay, and then of course the commissions are much more. You refer 5, who refer 5, who refer 5, and you continue doing it that way, all down 5 levels. And then the income potential here is over $19,000. Again, hypothetical, but this is the kind of income that is possible to earn with GDI. All right. The key is to try and help each other to be able to recruit and to duplicate. And while we've gotten materials and resources that help you with the duplication, I haven't until now been able to figure out how to help you with the advertising. And how to help, because, you know, the bottom line is, if you make money, I'm making money. And if your referrals are making money, you're making money. And all the way down to your 5 levels. If everyone in your downline's making money, you're going to be making money. Okay, so that's why it's so important to be able to help each other and get on and share this video. So I'm very excited. This is when you look below this video, this ugly little link is going to be there. I'm not going to bit.ly it or tiny URL it or disguise it or nothing. That's the link that you're going to see. And that's the link that's going to have the beginnings of the rotator on it. Okay? So don't get nervous if there's just a few people on it, because this video is just going up today. It's February 12th, 2020. So I'm really excited about it. So again, the steps to doing it when you first sign up are you're going to click on that link below this video, and then you're going to click right here and sign up with whoever is right there. Okay? Yeah. If you sign up for basic level, you'll stay on until you get 5 people. I do not know how long it will take you to get 5 people, so please don't ask, because I'm just going to say I don't know. Okay, because I don't know, because it depends how many people share. I mean, you can share this daily, you know, to some of the things. Twitter, you can share daily. Facebook, you could share this daily to different things, like a timeline. Your timeline one time, you could share it to a Facebook group the next day. You could share, you know, Pinterest, you can share this on Pinterest work at home boards. There's so many places you can share this and show people that we're helping We're helping you because so many people share videos that do nothing for them. They share a video because it maybe make them laugh, or it's their favorite singer, or it's their favorite video. And that's great. I'm not saying there's anything wrong with that. But how about sharing a video that can actually help you improve your income, improve your life, improve, quality time with your family? How about have more quality and quantity, both? Okay, so again, you're gonna click that link and sign up with the person that's on this rotator. Okay, then you're gonna email me. It's gonna be caroltwteam@gmail.com. I'll have that below this video too. Email me your full name, your username, your sponsor's full name, your username, and then wait for me to reply to you that you're on the rotator. If I do not reply to you, email me again. Okay, sometimes I get a little busy. Okay, so just don't let it go until you know that I replied that you're on the email or on the rotator. Okay, and then you go and you leave a comment on the video after you've, whoops, wrong one. Where's the video? Okay, this isn't the video, of course. The video I'm doing now is it. You leave a comment below in the comment section with the video, that you just signed up. You could put your username down there so people know that if they see you, that you're on the rotator, and then you click share. Okay, you like it, you've watched the video from front to end. Watch it a couple times to make sure that you got everything. Okay, and you just share it. I don't keep track of how many people share. I don't keep track of things like that, but that's the best way to send this viral. The more people you get on the rotator, the more it's going to go viral. So if you have 500 people on the rotator, then you're going to have 500 people sharing it. You're going to have it sharing daily. I mean, you can share daily to Twitter and Facebook and LinkedIn. And as I've said before, all of these different places you can share this to. Okay? And one thing I did forget to mention, that a basic membership, you get 5 members and then you go off the rotator. Premium membership, you just stay on the rotator, and any premium members in your downline stay on the rotator. So premium membership, there is some really big benefits, but again, you do need to advertise. Okay, this rotator will not do it all for you, but I really believe that it's going to help. Okay, so we're working on sending this viral. I'm very excited about it. Click the link below and sign up with, whichever members on that, on this link right here, and then email me your full name, username, and your sponsor's full name, username, and get joining on the team and begin growing your income. This is definitely a wealth building system. This is definitely not a get rich quick overnight. This is going to take time. I encourage you to have 2 to 3 months of fees set aside just in case. Okay, there's no guarantees, like I said, but I'm really excited about this. I think this rotator is going to be huge for many people. All right, so click the link below and join, and then email me as soon as you can. Oh, and I keep thinking of last minute things. You will get this website set up for you for free as soon as you send me your username. Okay, so don't worry about that. You get it set up and I add this page for yours to the rotator. All right, welcome to the team.